Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install YNAB app in your device. YNAB is a budgeting app that uses a unique approach to help you manage your money. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search YNAB. There you can see YNAB. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open YNAB and manage your money. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.